Hello everyone, thank you for joining. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Mixamo animations in Unity. I'm going to use our characters, but the process should be the same for any other character that you're using. So the first thing I want to do is to upload the character into Mixamo. Make sure you're using FBX and not other formats, just like prefab for example. So I'm just going to drag it and now it's uploading. Alright, now you got here a preview. Make sure that everything is working correctly and then just click next. Here we go. Now choose the animation that you need. I'm going to type here fight for example. Alright, this one looks cool. Here we go. Now we're going to download the animation. Make sure you click on the Unity preset that Mixamo has and you're choosing without skin. Then just click download and it's going to download. Alright, great work. Now I'm going to take the animation that I downloaded and import it into Unity. So I'm just going to drag it. Here we go. Now I'm going to create a new folder of animations just for my comfort and drag it there. Now click on the animation you downloaded and go to rig and change the animation type into humanoid and the avatar definition to copy from other avatar. Click on the source and choose male character avatar. If you're using a female, click on the female and then click apply. Now click on the saved character that you saved, the prefab of the character, and create a new Animator controller. After you drag the prefab into the scene, take the controller that you created and drag it into the controller of the Animator of the character. Now just drag the animation into the Animator. Make sure if you want to loop the time. So now you got an infinite loop of the animation, so you can see it working. And then just click play, and you can see that the character is doing the animation that I wanted. So really thank you for watching. I really hope I helped you guys.